In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to the latest version of Windows 11 on any PC. So, let's jump right in and make sure your system is up to date. First, it's important to confirm that your PC meets the minimum hardware requirements for Windows 11. Knowing this ensures that your device will function smoothly with the new updates, and you won't encounter any unexpected interruptions. You can find these requirements on the official Microsoft website. But key components include a compatible processor, 4 GB of RAM, and at least 64 GB of storage. Once you've confirmed that your device is compatible, proceed by clicking the Start button on the bottom left of your screen. From there, navigate to Settings. This will bring up a new window where you can manage various aspects of your computer system, including updates. Next, in the Settings menu, locate and click on Update and Security. Here you'll see different options that pertain to the security and software updates for your PC. Select Windows Update from the left panel, which will allow you to proceed with any updates available for your device. Now, it's time to check for updates. You can do this by clicking the Check for Updates button. Doing so will prompt your system to search for any available updates, including the latest updates for Windows 11. This process helps ensure that your system is running the most recent software, keeping it efficient and secure. If your device is found to be compatible during this check, an option to download and install Windows 11 should appear. It's crucial to stay connected to a stable internet connection during this phase, as the update files can be substantial in size. With a good connection, the process will be much faster and smoother. Once you see the option to download and install Windows 11, follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete the upgrade. These prompts will guide you through each step, simplifying the process and ensuring everything is set up properly. Alternatively, you have the option to download the update directly from Microsoft's website. Simply browse to the official Microsoft Download Windows 11 page. Once there, find the section for the Windows 11 Installation Assistant and click Download Now. This tool acts as a standalone installer and is useful if you prefer a more direct download. After the download completes, open the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Exe file from your Downloads folder. Follow the instructions provided to launch the installation process, accepting any necessary license terms when prompted. Following these steps will finalize the upgrade, and soon your PC will be running the latest version of Windows 11. By following these instructions, you can ensure that your PC stays current, functional, and secure with the most recent updates. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the new features of Windows 11.